What's your name?
My name is Daniel.
How old are you?
I am 23 years old.
And tell us, what do you do for a living?
I am actually a sales representative for a few radio stations in mid-Ohio.
So what are you going to be doing for us today?
I am going to be singing for you.
Okay. Can I ask you, have you been performing a lot?
This is actually my first time in front of an audience.
Shut up. So this is a big deal, so just take it in, and you know what? Don't think about it. Don't think about it, just do it.
Got it.
Go.
I hope he's good.
Oh no, see you walking around like it's a funeral. Not so serious, girl, why those feet cold? We're just getting started, don't you tiptoe, tiptoe. Yo, race time with the rasteries, race time with the rasteries. Roll with me, roll with me. Real right fantasy, real right fantasy. Dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm going blind from this sweet, sweet craving. Whoa, let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy. Yay! I keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean. Walk for me, baby. I'll be Jenny, you be Naomi. Whoa. Let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy. I keep on hoping we'll eat cake by the ocean.
I love it!
Talk to me, girl, talk to me, baby. I'm going blind from this sweet, sweet craving. Whoa, let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy. I'm hoping we'll eat cake by the ocean.
Oh my God!
Thank you.